Hey there, welcome to an amazing journey with us here at Ancient Wisdom Money Matters as we answer this great question in our live. How much can an investor invest in Kenyan system to achieve financial freedom? To become financially free by investing in Kenya's money system, you need to know two key numbers: your desired monthly income, for example, 50,000 shillings, 100,000 shillings, etc. Expected return rate from your investments, for example, 10%, 12%, or more annually. Step-by-step formula. Financial freedom goal: I want my investments to pay me enough each month to cover all my living costs without working. Let's assume you want 100,000 shillings per month. That's 1,200,000 shillings per year. Step 1. Estimate investment needed. Use the formula: investment needed equals annual income goal divided by expected return rate. For example, investment return rate formula: required investment 10%. For example, MMF, T-bonds, equity funds. 1,200,000 divided by 10% equals 12 million shillings. 12%. For example, SACCO dividends, good MMF. 1,200,000 divided by 12% equals 10 million shillings. 15%. Mix of stocks, SOFOS, crypto. If KSH 12 lakh represents 15% of a total amount, then the full amount is KSH 80 lakh. Step 2. Start small and grow. Let's say you can only invest 10,000 shillings per month now. If you invest in a money market fund at 10% interest, and reinvest everything, compound interest, here's what happens. Year's future value, 10% PA5 approximately 780,000 shillings in 5 years. 10 approximately 2,030,000 shillings in 10 years. 15 approximately 4,200,000 shillings in 5 years. 20 approximately 7,600,000 shillings in 20 years. With patience, consistency, and reinvestment, you can reach financial freedom in 10 to 20 years, even from a modest start. Tips to reach financial freedom faster: increase savings rate. Try saving 20%, 40% of your income. Invest in higher yielding assets. For example, select SACCO shares, high dividend stocks, rental property. Diversify smartly. Mix safe options, bonds, MMFs, with growth, stocks, fintech, farmland. Reinvest everything. Let compound interest work its magic. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As income grows, invest more instead of spending more. Final thought: you don't need to be rich to start investing in the Kenyan system, but you must start. Even small, smart steps build up over time. If you find this content useful, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss future videos on Ancient Wisdom and Money Matters. Would you like a free plan showing how to invest KSH 5,000 shillings, 10,000 shillings, or 20,000 shillings per month for financial freedom? Put a message saying if you want on the comment section. Trust.